It is time to start to use free Copilot chat AI agents that are safe for your data. Today we will build meeting summarizer that will create the notes from your meetings based on the transcript from Microsoft Teams. My name is Szymon Bochniak, I'm Microsoft MVP in two categories, Copilot and Microsoft 365. I'm working with Microsoft technologies for the last 18 years, and in the last 2 years I'm helping organizations to build strategy to implement AI in the organization with Copilot tools like Copilot Chat, Copilot Agents, and Microsoft 365 Copilot, but heavily focus on reasonable approach for the costs and finding the business scenarios for this technology. As a result of today's exercise, we will create AI agent meeting summarizer when you can upload transcript from your meeting exported from Microsoft Teams and automatically create great meeting notes that you can share with the rest of the team. You can see just by uploading the file, as a result, we're getting really great summary of the meeting, key steps, key issues, follow-up steps, and highlights of the meeting itself. This is great functionality that you can build inside your organization without any development, without any custom code, and for free based on Copilot chat license that you have access through Microsoft 365. So let's see how you can build that kind of agent using just natural language. You can see this functionality is really promising. If you want to learn more great functionalities in Microsoft 365 and Copilot, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to support it, leave the thumbs up or the comment below, and let's get back to our configuration. Every Microsoft 365 license user have access to Microsoft 365 Copilot chat, so free edition of the Copilot AI functionality. One of the elements that you can use is option to create the agent. If you will click on it, agent builder will be presented on your screen, and you can see you will be able to chat with the agent builder to create the new agent for your functionality. For instance, you can ask agent builder to create the agent that will prepare the notes from the meeting based on the transcript in the formal, organized way, and also to add the context of your role. So in my case, IT strategic advisor. In your case, it could be HR manager or any other person. Moreover, you can add additional comments for your agent, for instance, focus on key decision made, action items, open issues, and next steps, and precise the way how your agent works. You can add additional comments for your agent to precise how it works. You can see the elements that you're adding here are important from the perspective how the agent will work, and as a result you will be asked for the name of the agent. In our case we will use meeting summarizer. You can see also that agent builder asking us, do we want to use any URLs, so data source from internet, but in our case we would like to use the file that we will upload that will be transcript from the meeting. So you can see our agent name is updated. We have predefined prompts that we can use. So let's switch to configuration. Let's also do few more things and see how our agent is configured. First of all, I highly recommend you to update the icon of the agent. You will see in the future you will have multiple agents used there. Having unique graphic identification will help you to work with them. We updating icon of our agent, and you can see what is the result of our chat forward and back with agent builder. First of all, we have the name of our agent, we have the description that was the first prompt we used, but also we have list of instructions that were created based on the chat we provided with our agent builder. We can do additional elements in here. For instance, we can ask to also prepare the list of all participants and mark who was active and who was passive on the call. And this is also the space that you can use to update the agent in the future based on your work with it. Probably you will see that this is the constant process that agent should be updated based on your preference, based on your experience with working. This is flexible approach of the solution, but also you can see we're using just natural language here, zero coding, zero development. That's everything that we can do. Moreover, we can decide if we want to use our external data sources. We don't need any code interpreter. We don't need image generation. We can manage possible prompts that will be used here. But when we will be ready, you need to just create it, and you can test your agent with the transcript that we need to get from Microsoft Teams. So let's also see how it works. You can see this configuration is quite easy, but still, if you want to speed it up, check the QR code on the screen or link in the description, leave your email there, and I will send you all the materials, all the prompts, instructions and comments used in this agent that you can recreate it easily on your site. Remember, to get the transcript, you need to turn this functionality on and select proper language during the meeting in Microsoft Teams. When you will open Microsoft Teams in the app, you will have possibility to get to the transcript and download it to the docx files, which I highly recommend, and then upload it to our agent. So let's do that. Our agent is ready. We can pin it to our interface in Copilot chat, and we can upload the content, in our case the transcript downloaded from the meeting. You can see the file we uploading docx with the transcript of the meeting is safely stored in OneDrive, so no data leaving your Microsoft 365 tenant. This is super safe solution for your data. The only thing you need to do is to enable our agent to prepare meeting notes for our meeting. You can see this is super easy solution that you can implement in just few minutes, and this gives you really great meeting notes based on the transcript you have generated in Microsoft Teams. And again, this is super easy solution, zero code required, and you can use safe AI functionality to generate meeting notes from your meeting. You can see this is a super easy process to create AI agent that will create the meeting notes for your meeting. You can change the role, you can change the format, you can adapt this functionality and time, and this is repeatable action. And this is something that you can generate for free using Copilot chat AI agents. I highly recommend you to try it. If you want to speed up the process, leave the email in the form I'm sharing in the description, and I will send you all the instructions, configuration directly for your mailbox. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.